Hey guys, thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. Today I'm in Irving, Texas, and it's a dim and dingy day. What's a ham to do? Some of you who have watched my channel before and are familiar with my hotel ham shenanigans have seen that I use the G Gable antenna with banana clip radials. And today I have that out and it's given me about a 1.5 to 1, and that's good enough for what I'm doing. It's 10 watts. I'm listening. There's the plot. There's the tone with the SWR. Now, I'm not using the Flex right now, I'm using a local radio, but I am using a tool that's available on the Flex iOS app. This particular tool is for POTA, but it lets me figure out who's operating what on what band. This is by no means a substitute for turning the knob slowly, but it does give you an opportunity to seek and hunt out who's out there right here and right now. Now, you're going to hear, how many contacts did you make? Well, it's just like hunting. Almost more than half of the fun of hunting is the stalking and the eating. There are a lot of guys who would love to turn over the field dressing and the hauling to the Sherpa. So, tuning through the band, everyone every once in a while wonders, well, how's my reception? Is this rig really working? Is there something wrong? So, we'll switch over to the FD8 portion and take a listen. And it may be weak, but it's there. So if I wanted to play FT8, I most certainly could with this rig. Again, because I'm getting the reception. Somebody's going to hear me, even though this is only 10 watts, because I've got at least a 1.5 SDWR. I've got a fighting chance. I'll have a little fun. Constant questions on all of the live streams all over the internet. How do I practice my radio? Take it with you, take it to the hotel room, take it in your car, take it to your mother-in-law's house. Yeah, just don't let them see it. They'll forget about you, slip off, listen to the radio. That CW decoder doesn't work. Yes, it does. If you don't have the signal zero beated, if you're not dead nuts on, the CW decoder may not work. Or maybe the signal just isn't strong enough. Either way it goes, I don't use the decoder for my practice, guys. My brain can't see and hear at the same time, I guess. But listening to live CW on the radio is one of the best ways to learn CW. Listening to CW while you're absent-mindedly doing it, while you're doing some other work, is also a way to relax into it. Those of you that have made it this far, please subscribe, like the video if you like it. If you've been here more than once to watch my stuff, take the time to subscribe. And for the rest of you, thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.